very good, and your character looks very good, and we're very happy. Okay? So, ano pang idadagdag ko? Titingnan ko na lang, every week nandito ako. Bibisitahin ko kayo kung whatever, kung anong ginagawa niya. And I'm sure there will be a reward after. Right? So, thank you for believing in our school, but training school. And all of these people who are going to help really are, this is what they really want to do. So, I hope na intindihan niyo yun. Tulong-tulong dito. Walang away. walang intriga. Alam ba niyo yung intriga? Mabait dito, pero pag kanan niyo, mabait siya. Walang ganun dito. Dito, bawal yun. Try as much as possible to be friends. Para pag katapos nun, magre-reunion tayo, maganda naman ang karakter ninyo, di ba? Sige. Welcome to Like a Fans.